moves out, one step, any direction. So we are talking about the king. Now let's add the rooks to the game. Now who can tell me how a rook moves? Who can tell me how a rook moves? Sometimes we call the rook castle. Your rook moves vertically or horizontally. So it moves straight. So this rook can capture this rook. Depends on who is playing. If it's black's turn to play, black can go all the way to capture this one vertically. Are you seeing it? Yes. Then this one has the right to also capture it in horizontal way. So rooks are very easy to move. So if there is a pawn here and there is a rook here, are you seeing it? How do you if there is a rook, if there is a pawn here and there is a rook here, how do you attack this pawn? Yes? Okay, go to A5. Very good. Right now, you come there and you are now attacking it. If you move away that you don't want to be captured, what does black play?
The king. Which king? No.
You are using the rook. Why are you looking at the king?
The rook.
Yes.
A7.
Okay, very good. If this pawn decides to go upward, who will kill it? The king kills it. So the rook and the king walk hand in hand. Another way the king can also walk in the rook, and that is castling. Castling involves the king and the rook. So let me show you how you castle in chess. Works when there are no pieces in between the king and the rook. So what does the king do? The king takes 2 steps inward and the rook jumps over it. So castling is the only move in chess where the king and the rook play together. You play the king and the rook together. And it's also the only time in chess where the king can take 2 steps. Normally the king takes only 1 step in any direction. But in castling, the king can take 2 steps. So if this king wants to castle now, look at it. 1, 2, then the rook jumps over it to the next square close to the king. Now there are 2 types of castling. We have the short castling because it's just 2 squares between the king and the rook, and we have the long castling because we have 3 squares. So this is called the queen side. It's also called the queen side castling because there's a queen here before. So this is called the queen side and this is the king side castling. So if you forget that this is short or this is long, just remember that this is queen side and this is king side. How do you do the queen side castling? The king also takes 2 steps towards the queen side. Then what happens? The rook jumps over it. Do you understand? You cannot castle if there are some pieces in between the king and the rooks. People have the bishop has to leave, if it's the queen side, the queen has to leave, the knight has to leave, then you can castle. Do you understand? Yes. So it's only your king and your rook that can castle. Now I have shown you how your rook moves. So we are going to now play the game. Let's not see how you play your game.